It is inspiring these crazy people across the country to target not just the president, but those who work for him and those who support him. And it must end.
Is he following the arraignment of the suspect today?
Yes, he is, and I know you all want to follow that too. It's happening in a few minutes, so I'll let you all go. The Department of Justice is also going to be speaking momentarily following the arraignment, and I pray that this is the last time I speak to you for some time until after my maternity leave. So thank you guys.
Oh, she's out? She's gonna be out on maternity leave?
She got it in.
What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up, dude?
Tesla is on a tear.
Lesson.
I added to my June calls down there this morning at 365. That position is green. I'm still looking for a much larger move, but nice move intraday.
There you go. Oil coming back in. Breakover point of control here. We should fill the gap on NDX. New all-time high on SPY.
More. We want more.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I don't know who said it in the chat. NQ was going to rip when she got done. Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Casey, you missed a great debate. You always miss the good debates, man.
This time.
Well, honestly, this one wasn't a debate as much as this was just a full-on conversation of all the great video games over time.
Okay.
Best video games. We had great. I mean, just I think we hit everything. Honestly,
What was the biggest debate between someone saying this was the greatest and someone's like, nah, that's trash?
I think. And I don't think there was a debate. I think we all just like agreed to just reminiscing on all the different ones.
We're just like having nostalgia moments. Like, dude, remember that period in that game? You know?
Yeah. So many great games over time. Different systems.
What kind of games?
Gamecast sucked.
Well, we were mostly.
Holy Tesla, Jesus Christ.
We were mostly on N64, and then we came into like the early days of like Xbox, PS2, PS3.
Okay.
So like that kind of era, that like N64, which GoldenEye was probably the most contested thing, was people saying GoldenEye was the greatest game, and I was saying
GoldenEye
Super Smash Bros.
Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with Super Smash Bros. Did anyone play Tomb Raider?
Tomb
Raider. I don't know if Tomb Raider was mentioned actually. That's a good one.
Yeah, that
X on 64.
Oh shit! What?
This guy.
How did we even? Oh, Star Fox.
Somebody
mentioned Star Fox. That's how we even started the entire
on the GameCube, bro.
No, see, that's the thing. Not GameCube.
GameCube was my shit.
Oh, see, now the debate starts. GameCube was trash.
I loved a good GameCube.
And we never even started on. We never even talked about Game Boy. I was
Game Boy Advance world. Remember when you had the little light that had to go on top of your
the side? Yeah, so you shine down.
The little USB light. I had that one, and I actually had one that like clipped on the top, and it like flipped over, and it was a magnifying glass that made the screen bigger, and it had two lights on it.
100%. You wanted to trade Pokemon with somebody, you had to actually plug it into yours and then plug it into theirs.
Oh wow!
And then you got the newer one where you like that little thing on the top. You could just like put them together.
That was nostalgia, man.
We're busting here. I mean, Jordan. I don't know if Jordan is in the background or anything, but We added those Tesla calls this morning down there at 365. I mean, it was a joke to see if it would go to 380 today. It's less than $1 away now. Tesla is on an absolute freaking meat missile. This is incredible.
Good scalp longs here into the gap fill. If you're long, you should be looking to take some profit here. 715 whole number just hit on SPY. We are bussing
140% on these SPX.
Nice. What a trade. Actually, we'll talk about that here in a second because that was a Casey trade special. I'll pull up SPY and SPX here in just a second as we bust out of this. There's the gap filling in Q.
I am now green on the day. Oh my god.
Yeah, everything's pushing.
Just because of Tesla right now. I'm green, but I'm not taking profit.
Tesla.
I want these contracts at $10.
What a ripper on Tesla.
Hey, you said that last time and it happened.
And I got way
They
more
went to 20.
Let's do this exercise real fast again. Now that Casey's here, I'm gonna turn off all the indicators.
All right.
And this is what I just looked at this. This is SPX first. Here is 4 days.
That's the box from last week. What?
4 days. Here's Friday's breakout. And I drew not only a line right here on the double top for the back test, and I also drew just a box here of the SR flip zone. And you can tell we tapped into it once, took a bounce out of it. Then we broke the IB low and tapped right into that 147. And if I go to SPY, you're going to see you can draw the same box here. And you can even see the box more clearly because of the pre-market and after hours action. There's your box. Here's your upper zone of that box, your triple top that broke out of. And then you can see this dip into it, immediately bought up. And we even looked at it on the 5-minute, immediately bought up on SPX. Look at this, right where that line is, immediately bought up.
Yes, sir.
And you can go to multiple time frames and see 10-minute hammer, then continuation, reversal signal. 15-minute was nice right there. 15-minute on Qs down there as well. Printed this reversal some signal with a higher low.
If anyone remembers the trade that Brady called out and then I took as well, those SPX 7150s to go in the money, it was based off of that chart. And I even made a YouTube video and posted the full breakdown for what I was looking for that one to play out. And then in the after hours of showing that chart, you'll see the break and base on that, which lines up exactly with what Imp was showing right there.
Yeah, so sorry, I wanted to cover that as Casey came in. And I mean, Casey is one of the best people I know at support and resistance. And I mean, you don't even have to be as experienced and good as Casey is. This is very basic.
It's the most basic thing you can ever learn and use every day.
And literally, I mean, look, here's your highs, here's your highs, here's your highs. You broke out of it, consolidated above it, you came back to back test. I mean, when you reject here multiple times and then bust through, you look for it to support where it previously rejected. SR, that's why I even typed it in, SR flip zone right here on SPX this morning. I drew this before we ever did it. Top watch right there. Viva Pinata, I don't remember, but what I do remember is the one that came with Xbox that was like graffiti. You were like a rollerblader that had to graffiti a bunch of stuff.
Oh, what was that?
I don't remember what it was called, but it was a game that I got for free, so I remember playing it.
Dude, my brother was telling me about that like months ago, and we had like a conversation.
I can't remember what it was called. The first NES, yes, the first NES was great. I had so I remember my cousin had the original Nintendo, and we would play Duck Hunter all the time.
Oh yeah,
Super Mario World. Once you get the Super Nintendo, that one was great. All the original Marios were great. If we want to go back to the NES days. Remember when you're like going through like all the different stages and the little like sand, like with the pyramids and stuff? I loved that game. Princess Peach and all them back in the day. I had a King Griffey game that was really good back then.
King Griffey All-Star?
And I want to say there was a Cal Ripken game that I had at one point. But I had King Griffey for sure.
Man, I used to play two games with my older sister all the time. One was called Harvest Moon, and then another one was called Animal Crossing. If anyone remembers,
Animal Crossing's old. Yeah, I remember
that's
that.
like
Those were
that's
chip
like
games.
that's like throwback.
Oh, how about this Frogger on PS2?
Oh, what do you know? PS2. What do you know about Dance Dance Revolution? Did you have that little map that you rolled out?
No. So one of my neighbors had all that. I did mention Guitar Hero 3 as one of the greatest games of all time.
Oh, probably the greatest.
Why
Like,
would
it's just in a category of its
not
own.
be good for kids?
Guitar Hero.
I'll hand that
I would
to
almost
Casey
rather
and Ryan.
I'd rather my kids play Nintendo than watch YouTube videos all the time.
Yeah,
Occupy the mind, make them think.
I would rather my kids play video games than just watch TV. 100%.
I remember DDR at all the at like the like Chuck E. Cheese or like the
Oh yeah.
outside the movie theater and stuff like that. Donkey Kong Country was a great one. I had one on Super Nintendo called Pilot Wings, where you just like flew planes around, different types of planes. I loved that game. I wanted to be a pilot, so I loved that game. But yeah, Super Mario's World. I'm trying to think of like back then. Super Mario Bros. 3, I think, was probably one of the best ones. You had like the little foxtail guy that you could use. Zelda, Legend of Zelda. I almost forgot that one.
Zelda. I mean, this wasn't on console, but RuneScape on PC.
That one was mentioned earlier. You know what? So here's my this was mine for PC games. This is the greatest game for me of all time on PC was Roller Coaster Tycoon. That was my favorite.
I'm agreeing on that.
I almost forgot about that one.
But I was a big Diablo 2 Lord of Destruction kind
Oh, dude, Diablo. Hell yeah. I remember when I bought, was it Diablo 3?
Or Diablo 4 came out. But yeah.
I think it was Diablo 3, and I skipped school for like 2 or 3 days straight.
You were ahead of everyone.
And yeah, and I did it every time a new Call of Duty came out too, growing up as a kid. I mean, ever since Call of Duty 4 and then World at War and then all the other ones after that, every time one came out, I was there for midnight releases. My parents let me skip school for the next few days.
You were the cool house.
Yeah, well, at the time, like I was always an AB honor roll student, and they told us like every year you can only miss a certain amount of days, right, of unexcused absences.
Yeah, like 5 or 6 total.
So yeah, so if I had doctor's stuff that was all excused, so my mom made a bet with me. She was like, as long as you have A's and B's, she was like, you can use your unexcused absences, max it out every year for 10 days. So I got to pick and choose. So every time a new Call of Duty came out, I would stay at home for a few days.
Bro, your parents are treating it like a company, like kind of like your unused PTO. Like that is,
yeah.
Like,
you know,
hey, you can take off.
I couldn't do it if there was like test or anything coming up that week. I had to make sure I was there for the test. But yeah, everything else, no, they were good with it.
Damn.
So our school did. You could have. It didn't matter if they were excused. You could have like certain amount of excused and certain amount of unexcused. Like there was both categories. But like excused or unexcused, you could have like a total of I think up to 6 absences in the semester. And if you had that or less, or depending on your grade, so like if you had an A in the class, you could have like I think 5 or 6, and you got excused from the semester test. And if you had a B, you could have like 5, and a C, you could have up to 4, and you didn't have to take the semester test. Like if your grade was good enough, you could just not take the semester test. And so like I always had to factor that in. But when Call of Duty was coming out, I always went to GameStop and was in line to get the midnight release or whatever back in the day. But I was in college, so like it was easier for me, and I would just stay up all night, try to get that first prestige by like the next day.
When Halo 2 came out, my buddy was working at Sears, and they had them in the back like a weekend before the Monday release or whatever it was. And so just open box it, and then like I get online, and I'm like, and then like these mods are like getting on my like gamer tag, like, what are you doing? Who is this guy?
Dude,
Sign off and
when
get
Black Ops when Black Ops came out, so it was what, Modern Warfare 2 and then Black Ops. When Black Ops came out, GameStop did, instead of like having to stand in line, they actually did like a what's it called, a like a number thing. Like they give people numbers. And so like I was there earlier in the day. I was buying a controller actually. And then I was asking them like what the plan was for the night. And they said, oh, we're about to start handing out numbers at like 6 p.m. And so I was just standing there. I was the first one. So I got the number one for that store. And I remember like I showed back up and there was like, 400 people in line. And I just walked by every single one of them with my number one, just all the way to the front. And then once I got the game, I checked out, I bought it. And I remember like they wanted to take a picture and all this stuff. And I was like, no, I'm out. Like I'm trying to get home and play this thing. I'm not trying to hang out and, make this a moment. I'm trying to get ahead of the game here.
Nah, that's small talk. It's too small for me. I'm number one. We out T.
I still have an old YouTube channel. I'm not going to tell you what my gamer tag was, of all my old Call of Duty videos, because I was ranked in the top like 400 to 500 in the world for search and destroy at one point, and I was a part of a clan and go do tournaments and shit like that. And I was in freaking middle and high school at the time, and I was the dude who would run around with a sniper rifle and search and destroy and wipe out the entire team. Yeah. Quick scope all the fucking time, drag scope and trick shot, and I could go like 20-0 in a search and destroy match. That was my thing back then.
Did you draw a dot?
Would have hated
draw a
playing
dot in the middle of your screen.
Trust me.
What'd you say?
Did you ever put a dot in the middle of your screen?
I did. So my stepfather, we had a giant box TV, like a thick ass box TV, and it was probably like a 60 or 70 something inch TV. And I could sit in a chair and just have this giant freaking screen in front of me. And I would zoom in the middle of my crosshairs, I got a small piece of painter's blue tape, and I colored it red, and I put it directly in the middle, and I could just drag obviously my screen for quick scope and no scoping and line it up to do it. That's what I just
and you could just hip fire.
Yep, that's what I used to do. That's what I used to do for years.
Put up broke dad trades.
Back to green on the day. Let's go. Nice job.
I was absolutely teabagging you every time I killed you, especially with the throwing knife, dude. If I got you with a throwing knife, I was definitely just.
Oh, that was my thing too for spawning, knowing where to throw tomahawks and throwing knives over the map to where people would run into them once the search and destroy would start too.
What did
that was always fun.
Hacking with the aimbot. Dude, the amount of people that were accused of having aimbots versus the amount of people that actually have them or had them was very disproportionate.
The only game I ever hacked was World at War. I used to get underneath the maps.
Yeah, dude, I did too.
Yeah, you could just find the wall glitch where you could run and jump on something.
You got underneath and you just
you're just looking up and shooting people. That was the only game that like I ever like hacked.
I hacked Diablo 2, Lord of Destruction. You had the Jamela like editor. It was like this little thing that you'd have to launch pre-game, and you could just change the level of your character, put whatever items you want in your inventory. Yeah, it was savage.
The only thing I ever did, because like I hated people that did it, and I was good enough I could beat you no matter what. But if somebody else was cheating, that's the only time I would do it. So like I had a lag switch that we built just to mess with it. And I swear I didn't care about. I never used it. And like I lived with another guy that played all the time, and he could testify. I only used it, and me and him were on the same team playing off the same. So we were almost always the host connection. Yo, but like anytime somebody else was cheating or doing something, I would so basically you cut off the upload but keep the download coming, and I could just flip that thing and I could just glitch across your map and come take you out for cheating. And I only did it to other people that were cheating. I was trying to be like Robin Hood out there. That, and like when everybody got the little scuff controllers, I got one of those where like it could, you'd pull the trigger, it could shoot like 30 times or something. And like I had it programmed to a certain button, and I wouldn't turn it on unless somebody else used it. Okay, if you want an even playing field.
Hey, remember going to the modded lobbies on Rust and you would kill somebody and instantly get prestige because it was like fucking 1,000 XP
Oh
points?
yeah.
Those are the fun days. Kids don't know what fun is anymore.
Dude, and back before they actually policed what was said in those lobbies. Oh
Yeah. So I get the new Call of Duty like when in the fall time frame, and I'm online, and Microsoft sends me an email saying, "Whoa, pump the brakes on your voice chat, otherwise we're going to ban you for 7 days." And I did. I had timeout for 5 to 7 days. I'm like, dude, this is soft. I don't even know what I said.
Yeah, dude, I would play, and we would like practice search and destroy. I mean, I was similar. Honestly, the amount of things me and Casey have in common after not knowing each other until 3 years ago or whatever is pretty insane. Like literally insane.
Me and
Like,
Emp would have been best friends growing up.
Yeah,
dude, middle school and high
we
school.
agree on so much. We both played soccer. We both played Call of Duty like crazy. Like, it's actually pretty wild. And people used to say we sound alike, which
I don't know.
nobody said in a while. Maybe it's the mics. That
It was funny. I was sitting in the kitchen a little bit ago eating lunch, and Everly's just walking around talking, and she said something about saying hi to Imp. And I was like, "What'd you say?" And she would just like say hi, Imp. Say hi, Imp.
Uncle Imp at this point. That's what it is.
Nvidia is
Bust.
still going.
Oh yeah. What's going to
has-
stop it? It's a full-on breakout.
Dude, 215. I gotta go check the long term. They're still smacking 210 calls for May 15. They're just coming in hot over and over. Let me go check the long term account. Up 118% on Nvidia shares right now. That's new. It's new all time highs today, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
it was like 212. I think was the all time
Come on,
all
let's
time high.
pop it.
Come on, bust out to previous day's high.
Get me $10 a contract.
Let me go send this actually in the long-term account. Nvidia new all-time high.
Beautiful.
Love to see it.
God, I don't own enough Nvidia. I actually do own a lot of Nvidia, but
New high of day again.
yeah, Q's was kind of lagging this move up. It's slowly grinding. SPY was a little bit more.
When did Michael Burry double
I
down on
guess,
Nvidia
strength
folks?
on it.
Last week.
Someone got ran over by a reindeer.
Google new all-time highs as well.
Oh yeah, Google is fucking crazy. Yeah, they're just selling the shit out of calls right now on Qs.
Vol DQ is actually negative today.
Yeah.
It's not like working right. ADD is slightly positive, but it's been on the way down. But this Vol DQ is not working like properly. But you can do UVol Q. It's 2.6 right now, and UVol or DVol Q, and it's 2.9. So it's still slightly negative.
All right, let me go send that out. 118.76% on Nvidia shares. What a fucking ripper. Did INTC pull back, or is it still chilling up near the highs? Yeah, pull back.
It pulled back today. It's still
Yeah.
above Friday's breakout point.
Yeah.
ARM and AMD both cooled off a little bit today, so profit taking.
Yeah, ARM got smacked.
Smacking my arm.
Cybersecurity stocks are looking decent. CrowdStrike and PanW.
Google 353.
Net looks decent.
I hear the game train.
Amazon's not doing anything. Apple's doing absolutely nothing. Meta's choppy. Microsoft's been in some kind of weird slow mode since the pre-market news volatility.
Yeah, IWM has been struggling today as well. The banks of what were the strongest this morning.
And now they're cooling off, so I'm actually looking to see if they could be a reshort.
SMH is getting a little pop off the lows. IGV been decent today.
Yeah.
Everything else is kind of
Oh
just
my
middle.
god, it's literally just what, NVIDIA?
Google, Tesla. Those are the three strongest, I'd say, right now.
Yeah. Meta was doing okay. Amazon's doing nothing, and Apple's doing nothing. Microsoft's just working its way up too. If you look at Microsoft,
I take it that you're short, Rizzo.
Yep, for the last 5 hours, I think.
really since Friday, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Did you ever get out of those original 5?
Yeah,
it hasn't really gone anywhere, so I mean, it's still good.
Unless you're an ES, I mean.
True. Yeah. Q's is like
both.
Q's is at
40
Friday's
points,
close
yeah.
right now.
30 points.
Oh, there's Jordan.
What's goody?
Tesla, baby.
I know, red to green. Look at her.
Oh, almost a $15 move off that low this morning.
Boom, boom.
This is so ridiculous.
Where's TSLL? How much is it?
TSLG?
And TSLG. Both of them.
I mean, from low to high. 9% on TSLG.
That's insane. 560 to 6.
I wonder how many people came in here and were like, these guys are just talking about old video games. What are they even doing? Well, it's because the market's just slowly floating higher. Oh. DEA will open its medical marijuana dispensary registration portal on Wednesday, the 29th, giving applicants a formal starting point to register as a medical marijuana dispensary. What's up, Jordan?
What's goody?
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Hell of a day going sideways.
Yeah. Colin, I wonder how many people will actually be like this, be like, oh, it's completely legal now, it's not even fun anymore. Kind of like kids that were like drinking at like 18, 19, 20, and then they turn 21, and after a couple months they're like, all right. Doesn't feel as fun.
If anyone out there drinks the Liquid Death teas, this is a new one in the store near me. I don't know how long they've been out, but they got Raspberry Rage. It's blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry, but they added some natural caffeine from green tea in here as well. This shit is really good. I could drink liquid death teas all day long. Come on, Tessie, just flag out and rip the previous day high for me. I will trim Tesla there, 100%. I have no choice. Those June calls should be up anywhere between, I'd imagine, 25 to 30%, and I'm gonna have to take my first trim there on them.
Boom, that's how it's done right there. Get out of the hospital, go home, make $1,300. Go spend the rest of the day resting and relaxing with the fam.
Oh, Autistic Futures, my guy. Let's go.
Guy making money from the surgery room.
Dude's got more kids than me and Emp combined.
Yeah, and one less intestine than all of us. Big shout out.
Oh, you have the Raspberry Ridge? Yeah, it is fire. I love it.
Rage, rage, rage.
Rage, rage.
I will trim Tesla near PDH. Should be plus 30% there. I can't fucking type. Near. There we go.
This is so ridiculous. Why am I even still here?
This is what we call addiction.
Let's just chuck a hard stop in at 500. Oh, if it trades 500, you're going to see 100 lots hit the ask. Just FYI.
Oh my god. Looks like a trend higher to me right now. The only thing would be if NDX just rejects
Not even
previous day's close.
down that bad for my average is 400 now.
I don't know. Over 410, I feel like you go back to 500s. I don't know. My biggest thing is SPX looks like it's just going to level up. I mean, what was this? 100 point range here. So we probably go another 100 points higher.
New
250. 7250.
All right. I just put an order in at $600 on these. And if it pops up there, close to that 382, it should get over 600.
What does it mean? You're going to see 100 lot on the... it's going to be my stops getting filled.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were adding 100.
No. I'm already in. Fucking dumb. This fucking action today.
You hold previous day's high on ES, 7200, and you hold 410 point of control on NQ. Probably just up and to the right rest of the day.
And there it is, 600 on the contract right there on Tesla. All right.
Is that good?
That is, yes. Considering I took an ad this morning on these at 415, yes.
Dude, look at this freaking...
Look at the daily now. Oh,
daily?
Beautiful. So if you drew the trend line from last
this is the
week,
Trump spot. This is the Trump spot right here.
Yeah. Yep.
Hold on, let me take off all these. There. Held 360s down here. How low did it go? Oh, I went away 364. That's fine.
Ooh,
Once it popped
okay.
back over though. This trend line is the Trump spot
Yeah.
Looks
So
over
look,
here, that's a beeline to the 390 if it breaks over
look,
this.
that's interesting. So let me see. Do you see the right on that chart, the high of the chart on the top left corner? Draw a trend line right there to come down.
So we're like here.
Can't.
March
Right
11th.
there. Boom. That one right there. You see how we broke above it? We came back down and retested it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That right there was my ad spot, and closing underneath that was my stop. And then then you have the larger one above that. You're coming back up right here. Yeah, trim spot. 380 to 382 is a trim spot from 365.
Dude, if it pops this, that's gonna be a violent move to 387 and 390.
I think it is this daily. If the daily can get to 383 today before the close and fully engulf that one, it's going to set up a really, really good chart.
Well, there's a lot going on this chart. Yeah, we're still just riding the 9. Is oil still pushing with us? Because that's not fun. No, oil's not new highs.
I just need NQ to trade back to the middle.
Like, oh, oil's getting up. What are you looking for? At 360s?
At least, yeah, that'd be nice.
Your point of control 400 now.
Bombarded by just Discord notifications. I'm about to lose my mind.
It's actually been kind of nice to not have any crazy headlines today.
No, this is just not gonna give, is it? NQ is just not pushing. Just fucking blast it through 460s and I'll give up.
Blast them. Burn.
I hope this thing just blasts. Back green on the day. Nvidia's still going.
Is NVIDIA still going?
Yeah, what's
Yeah, I mean, it's sky's the limit now, I guess.
Curious what they have.
My parade.
Banjo Kazooie. We talked. Did you remember that one? We talked about that one earlier.
Every other semi is just hogging lows.
Is MU still ripping?
Got tired, but hasn't done anything today.
Yeah, it's just hanging out up 4.5%.
It kept pushing higher this morning, but that name was getting a significant amount of put flow earlier.
Nets having a good day. Some of these software names are bouncing.
I was just about to say your dumpster diver software names are probably gonna be having decent days. Holy shit, you're up 1,500% on the video calls?
It's pretty good.
Damn! This fucking go show.
Quintessential calm before the storm. There hasn't been a single ceasefire over the past 5 years that has gone back to shooting at least once. I don't think this time will be different. I mean, my calm before the storm is a different direction altogether. My calm before the storm is you have like a third of the market reporting earnings this week, and you have FOMC on Wednesday, and you just ran like crazy into it. Like, you take enough losses with risky trades, you start to look for better setups. When you learn to stay out of bad trades, it starts highlighting what are good trades and what are not good trades, and then you start to see more consistent success. ASTS, boy, it came all the way back down. We need to buy this one up. It's Rocket Lab, nice bounce in the 21. Could almost call that a back test. Nice little EMA 9 hold. Come on, let's go to previous day's high.
There's no way I'm flipping this long on NQ.
Oh yeah?
Hell yeah, you are.
Just click the reverse button. There's fucking 200 lots go by.
21.
Rocket Lab?
Yeah, that's why I titled the stream the way I did earlier in the thumbnail. So look at your earnings this week. Here, I'm gonna go to 100 billion plus just for the view here. This is 100 billion plus. This is what we call large to mega cap only. And look at all your different baskets that are going to report. So not only Wednesday do you have 4 Mag 7s, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, plus FOMC, Jerome Powell. Qualcomm's also a huge player in here. So you have all of that on Wednesday after the close. Tomorrow, before the open, Spotify, Coca-Cola, Corning, GLW, and BP. That's a bunch of different baskets right there. After the close tomorrow, Visa, Starbucks, T-Mobile, bookings. So there's some looks into the consumer stuff. There's a lot of baskets there. AbbVie before the open on Wednesday. Was AstraZeneca. There's pharmaceutical. Eli Lilly before the open on Thursday. Pharmaceutical. MasterCard, Caterpillar, industrial. And then you come down here, Apple, SanDisk, Western Digital. There's your memory reports. Amgen also reporting there. And then Exxon and Chevron before the open on Friday. So like almost every different sector and different peek into the market for earnings is going to happen this week. It's the biggest week of earnings by far. And you throw in the Fed in the middle of this. And you think about where we came from and what we're currently doing. Huge run, new all-time highs, some consolidation, a little bit float higher into all the information that's coming at us this week. I expect things to start really starting to slow down over the next 48 hours.
Amazon heading south. Microsoft heading north.
Let's just keep going northeast. Microsoft probably wants to go fill in that wick from this morning, 428. NVIDIA IB extension achieved. Meta getting a little bit of a buy on this 15-minute bottom wick. Most of your other stuff's still pretty slow. Tesla getting its first red 15-minute candle. Not really a pullback, but kind of the first red candle. First little bit of cool off in this trend. This is one of my favorite quotes of all time. Oh, East? I thought you said West. That's West, Patrick. It's probably my favorite SpongeBob moment of all time, to be honest. Oh, East? I thought you said West.
That one and Wombo probably up there.
And the chocolates one.
The chocolate. Chocolate. He said he's selling chocolate. I always hated it. What's the
IB
other
extension.
one?
IB extension for me is one full range of the IB extended. So whatever the first hour's range is, to the upside, one full extension. Half extension, one full extension. It's just based off of range.
When they deliver the pizza, that one's probably that's a good.
Krusty Krab pizza
Is
the pizza for you and me. He starts playing DJ on the box.
Krusty Krab pizza. It's not just a boulder; it's a rock.
Or the other classic. Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
The pioneers used to ride these bad boys for miles.
Wow, look at the SPX squeeze. 15-minute squeeze firing upside. I mean, it's full. It's fired. It's firing all at once. On the 15-minute, SPY had one for me as well. But SPX and ES 15-minute squeezes firing upside. Q's had a 10-minute that just completed.
Krusty Krab.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This is a good one too. Is this the Krusty Krab? No, this is Patrick.
Oh man, the one where God, they bring the villain back to life. Oh, I can't remember his name.
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. The
something
the
Ray,
guy?
right?
Is it Stingray? It wasn't Stingray.
No, something Ray. What the heck was it? But they're in the
Manta Ray?
cave. Maybe Manta Ray, maybe. But they're in the cave, and he's like, "Is this your wallet?" He's like, "Yep." And he's like, "Is this your?" He's like, "Are you Patrick Starr?" "Yep." Well, I found Man Ray. Man Ray.
Man Ray.
That's what it is. Man Ray. Yep.
Man Ray. Yeah.
He's like, "Makes sense to me." He's like, "Well, then take it." He's like, "No." He's
Or
like,
the
"Why?" He's like, "Because it's not my wallet."
the fun song.
Oh yeah.
F is for friends who do things together. U is for you and me.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for
U
uranium.
is for uranium.
Bombs.
Bombs.
N is for no survivors.
No plankton.
Oh,
Dude.
spy.
That was such an awesome song.
Right?
Yeah.
NVIDIA new high of day.
I come back and I'm like, wow, the fun song.
Yeah, well, you just never know what you're gonna get on this stream when price action's slow.
Right.
Keep on pushing.
Like 5 people just laughed. They were like, "All right, SpongeBob fun song is too much for me." That or they went and touched grass, which is probably
Well, the evil version's awesome with Plankton, so that's the best part.
God, what else?
I don't know who Trade Brigade is. The imagination. God, NVIDIA is just squeezing shorts at this point.
Jeez. I'm not in it. Not in options.
I don't think I'm going to like
Sell
like
ever.
yeah, like I've already sold some. Let me see.
I mean, why would you though? You're just now breaking out to all-time highs after like 6-7 months of consolidation. Like, how long was this?
Like I went stupid heavy between 85 and 95 bucks. And then when it got to 150, 160s, I was like, okay, I can take a little bit off because I was freaking heavy. And I just letting the rest. Now it's up 120%. Like, it's about to cross my largest holding, which is Amazon.
I mean, what I'm looking at here is NVIDIA consolidating essentially for 9 months and breaking out of that. I mean, even though it did this one and came back down. So even if you went from after that to this consolidation only, which was a build upon the previous, that's still basically 6 months of consolidation.
That's insane.
I don't know. I'm just the guy that looks at, candles.
You're in the
Come on.
Yankee Candle business? No way.
Blow through. Yeah, NVIDIA breaking out. Yeah, and then there's one guy named Michael Burry that had one good trade once back in the past. Just like, yeah, let's short that and Palantir both.
Come on, Tesla.
Imagine if you shorted software instead of like 2 of the strongest stocks in the entire market. I don't know. His Substack's probably making up a lot of money.
Money, money, money. We're all here to make some money.
Shit, next time somebody's like, "Are you a day trader?" No, this is Patrick.
That's funny.
God, I don't have enough tabs open. I need to open up another chart.
If you don't have
Broke
20
Dad.
open, at least it's not enough.
Broke Dad got that new
Let's
Tradeify
see.
account. He's
1,
green
2,
on it.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Hey,
7,
lock in the
8,
profit.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Scalentrell.
16, 17, 18, Jordan. Gosh dang it.
18 what?
18 tabs open.
Oh,
He said if you don't have at least 20 open.
Now, which
Oh.
window are we talking about, and which desktop are we talking about?
I have 18 tabs.
I have a lot
open
of
across
I have a
4
lot of
monitors.
desktop programs, so like I have 5 tabs open here, and then 1, 2, 3 more. So I have 8 tabs total, but I have X is in its own program, Slack, Claude, YouTube, Project X, Trade of 8, Webull, Discord, Benzinga, Microsoft Teams, gross.
MS Teams. Oh,
All right, send it. Let's break this flag out. New highs. I want a new all-time high on the QZ.
Oh, buddy.
It's only like 20 points.
Yeah, it's not far. You got that?
NVIDIA said, I'll just put this whole thing on my back.
Put the thing on my back. Doe.
Nvidia said my back's hurting from carrying all you guys. After
Dix
9
is
months
just
of
in a
nothing.
giant bear flag. Oil looks like it's coming down.
Maybe. Did Casey find a new broker?
Well, I'm still gonna be using Weeble, but it's gonna be mainly for spreads for my new broker. I'm going back and forth with whether I want to trust Schwab again or deposit some funds into Tasty Trade with Will, because Will loves Tasty Trade for selling options. So
Gold's kind of just in the middle of a big range, to be fair. I saw that comment in the chat. GLD, I mean, you're sitting on a decent spot here, but your point of control is actually a little bit lower, 424. But you're trying to hold up here, this 428 area. And then I look at the actual like underlying under daily EMAs, but consolidating after a big move up.
Oh, that's the big one.
Uh-oh. Union Pacific coming through right now.
Whew. It's actually BNSF.
Guys, took my kids to a park. Oh, Jordan, I should have sent you some videos. Dang it. We went to a bigger... Oh, Jordan's not even here.
just when the world needed him most, he vanished.
Oh, dude, it was like it was a skate park. Here, I'll send this to you, Casey. This is... I guess this was Saturday. Then, like, beside this, there was like an actual huge skate park, like with all the bowls and stuff, and so all the local skaters are out there, and it's right next to a train track. Every time Canadian Pacific went by on the train track, I was just like, gross. Go back to your country. I actually saw a ton of JB Hunt. Made me say, okay, let's stay long JB Hunt.
Oh, that's awesome. I wish we had something like that here.
That one was super cool because it's just like, I don't know. Obviously, there wasn't much like, you know, my sons could do just yet because they're still learning.
Mm-hmm.
I also started them Friday. I started them in swimming lessons.
Man, we just got done talking about that the other day for Everly, because we needed to get her swimming.
The B&O. B&O is one of my favorite railroads in Monopoly. B&O and in Pennsylvania. Those are the two good
Calling me
ones.
right now.
Oh, they're still buying it. This is just uptrend. Short line, yeah, short line was good. The Reading Railroad, I think, was dumb.
Got oil coming right into VWAP at 96.30. See what happens here.
We got 30 minutes till power hour. Or no?
QQQ's on a 15-minute squeeze.
Yeah, 30 minutes till power hour, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Tommy just making money, not even trying to. Looks like the market is on coke. I don't know about that. Is it moving too slow for that? It's almost like it ate too many special brownies and it's just floating higher.
It's like Guy on the Couch and Half Baked, where he just like rises above and
Just
just
keeps
goes above
going.
the
It just
city.
keeps, yeah, it just keeps going.
Like, Guy, come down.
F is for fire.
Still singing SpongeBob songs.
Just when I saw you, Jordan, I meant to send you a video. As I forgot to. I just put one in like our group chat. Of my son. We went to this different park, and right behind this area, there was like a full-on skate park with like huge bowls and everything in it.
Oh, okay.
There were so many skaters out there. I almost FaceTimed you. This is like
Yeah, you
Saturday
should've.
afternoon.
Next
I almost
time.
just FaceTimed you because there was everything. There was BMX going on. There was a ton of just straight up, and dude, these guys are actually pretty good. I mean, we're
Oh,
talking,
yeah.
you know,
Dude, you'll be in
better
the
than
most
average
like
tricks.
dead ass town, bro. And there'll be a skate park there, and there'll just be like some kids there that are world class, bro. But they're just not. They're not put in front of anybody. They've never done a competition, so nobody knows about them. You know, because that's how it is. If you could be the best skater in the world. If you don't do any competitions, it doesn't matter. Like nobody knows you.
That's what
Crazy.
Nigel Houston was.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
I met
yeah,
Nigel
yeah.
a few times. He's pretty cool.
Dude, when I saw a guy do
His house is
a
turned.
a shove it to a Smith grind out of the pool, I was like, oh. And then I saw a guy do a backflip, and I was like, okay, these guys, this is just raw talent out here.
Yeah, dude.
They had a drone out there too, and we're just like in this free, you know, it's all
Awesome.
concrete pretty much.
By the way, Jordan, you actually use dead ass the right way versus anyone else in modern day using dead ass as just like yo, dead ass.
Bro.
How do we feel about Ryan Sheckler though?
Dude, Ryan Shex is like the OG, bro. Love Shex.
Yo,
I'm
Shout
just
out
making
Shex.
sure. Just making
shout
sure,
out
dude.
the Encinitas City Hall drop kickflip. Like that's right down the street where I live.
Ryan was just a cool dude, bro.
I feel like he got hate just because so many people loved him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was in the original Grind movie
Hold
on
on.
Disney.
Especially like since like all the girls like thought he was cute and they all loved him too. Like the cute skater boy guy or whatever. I feel like a lot of people hated him just out of that.
I think that was the thing. Like, other than him, it was like Tony Hawk. But we can all agree here that Tony Hawk is not a good looking person. So,
No.
so then you get Ryan Sheckler to come in here, and then everyone's like, "Oh, we can relate to this guy a little bit better. Like, he's younger, he's
he
better
was easier
looking."
to be
he drinks
was
Monster
easier
Energy.
an
He wears
easier,
a
like,
silver
star.
chain. Like I
Yeah.
like him, white boy. Let's go.
Yeah,
I mean, Bob
Everyone-
Burnquist with the glasses though back in the day, or Bucky Lassick.
Dude, Bucky's from my hometown, Baltimore.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I've got a funny story about Bucky. I will say this. So we're at a Orioles game and we're at a rain delay at Dempsey's Bar out in right center field in the warehouse. And I'm eating a bunch of pistachios. Little do I know, pistachio gives me gas. So I'm sitting there just, silent but deadly, just ripping these farts. And Bucky's like in a group over there. I'm with my family and my brothers. They'll laugh at this if my brother's on stream. But all of a sudden, Bucky goes, "Yo, who farted? Oh my God. He gets out of the bar. And my brother's like, "Dude, Bucky just like smelled your fart." So I get on like Twitter and like tag him or whatever. I'm like, "Bucky, sorry about that like fart back at Dempsey's Bar." Don't get a response or anything, but
oh my god,
sorry, Bucky.
he's watching the stream now.
Imagine Bucky's just day trading watching this going, what the fuck?
He's like, "Dude, I lost my sense of smell like COVID because of your ass." And I do not eat pistachios anymore, for the record. So, the sunflower seeds kind of guy. I did mistakenly buy a pistachio flavored ice cream. Thought it was mint chocolate chip, which I guess that could be a debate. Are you a mint chocolate chip kind of guy or girl? Because I am. That stuff's delicious.
No.
Yes.
Missing out, man.
There you go,
Especially
chat.
like nice and creamy, and you get like a good like chunk of Oreo cookie.
Does mint and chocolate go together?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
ice
they
cream.
do.
I asked chat. I didn't ask you two bozos.
I'll go on mute before I really bite
Doesn't
my
matter
tongue.
what chat thinks here, man.
Dude, I feel like I agree with most of the country, but up in California, people just have some wild takes.
I mean, I'd eat it, but I think there's a lot better flavors that you could have.
I agree completely.
Like what? Vanilla?
But I do like a mint chocolate chip.
Don't even say vanilla.
I do love vanilla. That's really good.
I was gonna say maybe
Curb Your Enthusiasm.
Rocky Road. Love a good Rocky Road.
Rocky Road.
Like Rocky
Dude,
Road's one of my favorites, bro.
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yeah,
Good. So those are my top two.
Yeah.
And those are my top two every time.
Those are
Coffee? No. Coffee flavored ice cream, not good.
Love the coffee flavored. Yeah, I'll pretty much eat any ice cream though.
I feel like I could do coffee before I did
Coffee's
mint.
good.
Dark chocolate.
Mint chocolate chips bomb though. I love it.
Oreo, cookies and cream, obviously.
Yeah.
All time goated.
I've never been a huge sherbet like person though.
Oh, the Napoleon. What's the three colors? The Napoleon.
I think it's Napoleon, right?
Neapolitan?
Rainbow sherbet or a Neapolitan.
Neapolitan.
Yeah. But that has the three different.
Yeah, I get those.
Neapolitan.
It's like vanilla, chocolate, and
Strawberry. No, don't give me no strawberry.
And no, that's disgusting for ice cream.
Yeah. You know, just because you type it in the chat doesn't make it easier for me to say the word.
Yeah, I know. I just couldn't think of how to say it.
ChatGPT, can you spell it out phonetically?
I saw people typing it in the chat. I was like, I know what the fucking word looks like. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Oh, send them home.
Damn it, Bobby.
Oh, shit.
Send them home.
Oh, man. I knew going into today we were going to have some fun conversations on stream today. Slow action. I don't even know how. Oh, earlier, somehow we got into like Star Wars, Star Trek. I never really got into either one of those. Like, I don't hate them. If anything, like Star Wars.
If you think
wasn't
Star
bad.
Trek is better than Star Wars, the OG trilogy, you're so wrong.
They both suck.
So wrong. No. Star Wars.
I mean, for its time, the original Star Wars was pretty good.
Yeah.
But
Never
wait, my point, I
watched
just never-
any of
Star
them.
Trek though.
Yeah,
Who the
I just
fuck
never
are
got
you,
into
bro? Star Trek. No.
I never got into either one of those, and then somebody was like, "So what about Starburst?" And I was like, "I don't know what kind of star thing." We just started hating on everything with star in it, basically, and that's how we got to Star Fox, and that's how we got into the whole video game conversation.
Isn't there a star fruit?
Mm-hmm. It's really good actually.
Well, we talked about Starburst, and I was like, "No, I'm out on Starburst too. I'm not a big Starburst guy."
Colin, what's LOTR?
Lord of the Rings.
I'm not a Lord of the Rings guy either.
Lord of the
I
Rings is
watched
fun.
it. I'm just it's not just
The books,
it's just not
I
my
mean,
speed.
when you have good
I did
books
watch
and
Game of
animated
Thrones.
movies,
I mean, I was never a huge Lord of the Rings person either, and this might be a hot take, but if you put a movie in front of me and you said Star Wars or Lord of the Rings, I'm probably going to pick Lord of the Rings over Star Wars.
yeah,
Nah.
yeah, I'm definitely doing Lord of the Rings over Star Wars.
Yeah.
Especially
Anakin,
with, like,
bro,
if you
Padme.
make me watch whole series.
No.
I did go see The Hobbit in theaters. That was a long ass movie.
Is this Ace the Kid? Yes, this is Ace the Kid. I am him. I am Sir Ace.
Yeah, we got some new people here that were watching
is
your
I.
videos.
I come in the name of the Lord.
I'm gonna have to start making videos, I guess. I don't know. I just make money and then just talk with chat. That's what I do.
Pizza rolls.
Oh, dude.
Dude,
Crush them.
smashing them right now, dude.
Little Tostinos right now, dude. I would get toasty on some Tostinos.
Hell yeah.
Right out of the in the air fryer. Oh.
This is going to squeeze higher to 7180. Like, it's inevitable, right? Like, just do it.
I hope so.
Oh, ES and SPX still look really good. We're
That's what I'm
trading
saying,
above
SPX
what we need to be
7180.
above on NQ, but what?
Spy is the only one
5
out
in a row.
of pre-market range.
IWM's getting a little stick here off the.
Like
NVIDIA's turning around.
IWM has the smallest pre-market range out of all three of them, and it's still directly in the middle of it.
Yeah,
It's
Hanson,
insane.
I see ES breaking out like that.
I mean, the simplistic view is you had multi-day consolidation breakout on Friday, backtest this morning, and a lot of buying. What do you think about Lending Club today? Just today or in general? Lending Club, I mean, anything that has to do with lending or rate sensitive, I think is kind of just on pause right now. You have to get Warsh in there. You've got to start hearing more about rate cuts. You really need oil in some of this, situation with inflation to go off. I'm not really super excited about rate sensitive names right now. Are we just going to come down and just bounce off the
21. 21.
21.
21.
I'll have ranch. Unless I would have Mateo.
got to go to the oven, dude? I don't
Air
know.
fryer, bro, like for 8 minutes.
Dude, I feel like
Yeah,
the air
Shake that shit
fryer,
halfway through.
unless you're doing like baked potatoes or something.
Dude, baked potato with British beans. Wow, so good. British beans, man.
Dude, I had somebody give me a hot take that they didn't like baked beans the other day.
What?
I will say-
to your heart, the more you eat, the more you fart, the better you feel. So eat
British
beans
baked
for every meal.
beans versus American baked beans. British baked beans are 10x what we have here in the States. They really are.
I
10x.
love some baked beans.
10x.
What?
10x, bro. You can't even get them here. You have to like.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
You would know because you haven't tried these ones, dude.
That's why I didn't make it. Because I didn't like. Yeah, I didn't shit on the idea.
Don't shit on it, bro. I'm
Talk
telling you.
about
I'm
something I've
telling
never
you.
Tried.
I'm telling you. Like I was shocked. I was because like don't get me wrong. Ours are sweet and they're good, but like they're almost too sweet and too like sugary. Like these beans are just dang.
Oh, did you give me some Bush's baked beans?
Bush.
That little dog on the can.
Little dog on it.
Nom, 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 nom,
You got the little pieces of bacon in there. Yeah.
Add some brisket in there too.
That hickory brown sugar.
You start dipping
Hickory brown
some
sugar. They
cornbread
are
in
good.
there.
Trust me, they're
Oh.
good. But like
Oh yeah.
the Heinz blue can baked beans. Is it Heinz? I forget who made them.
In a blue can?
Yeah. You can't like you won't find them at our stores.
What the hell is
It's a
that
UK
wick on
thing.
QQQ?
If you look up blue can Heinz baked beans, those beans right there, bro.
Oh yeah. It's
You
Heinz.
see this fake wick on QQQ
So
that
dank.
just threw on here?
British food supply.
We're gonna go fill that, aren't we?
On the 1 minute?
Yeah, look at it.
I don't have that on mine.
I have it on both TradingView and Webull. It's like 64.30.
Are we really talking about
Can
beans
ES
these
do
days?
that?
Let me go check Weevil. I don't have it on my trading view.
You don't have this right here?
On Weevil, yeah, 664.38.
Yeah, I have it on Trading View too. You don't have it on Trading View?
Yeah. No, not on trading view.
Look, you see it?
Damn. We coming down a little bit. Kingface is just pointing out potential 30-minute evening star reversal on the Qs.
This is where I kind of want to get long right here.
By 99. By 40.
Yeah. Right here. I'll do it. Long right there at 410. Yesterday or Friday's point of control.
By 37.
SPY just came down to the 9 EMA on the 10 minutes. So just bounced right back up.
IWM hasn't moved in 4 hours. That's stupid.
Sell 94.
That guy said, never mind. Damn, I'm getting hungry. Didn't know Cali got down with brisket brigady. Well, yeah. California is full of people that move there from other places.
Yeah, brisket's delicious.
Yeah, how do you not have brisket?
Good barbecue place. I mean, a couple, like literally only 2 that I found in
36.
this entire state. So California's not really down with barbecue. So I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's kind of rare to find, but yeah, tri-tip's delicious. You can get that exclusively here.
Sell 30.
In fact, Cardiff has this thing called Cardiff Crack, which is tri-tip marinated in their special sauce, and it's unbelievable.
NVIDIA puts coming in 210s.
Rizzo is still irresponsibly short.
By 26.
All right, there's your midpoint on Qs.
VWAP as well on NQ.
If you're looking for a
21
long
yes.
spot for it to hold, potentially take this thing back up, I think it's right there. Because if we start failing that, we're just going to come back down to the chop zone from this morning.
Borracho beans. They buy this right back over 410. Just sit in it for new highs.
Let's see.
Only an hour and 10 left though.
Nothing.
Maybe you just rotate back to the middle. I don't know. I'm long right here.
Why does Meta look like it wants to flag out here? Look at that. Look at that 10 and 15 right now on Meta. Tell me that doesn't look like she wants to go higher.
I mean, this is what I drew earlier. Point of control from right here on Friday. 410, 411. And there's your IB break to the upside and your retrace to the 25%.
Nice bounce on SPY. Nice little retracement so far on Qs. Off the midpoint.
And look at the
21.
Imp, I got your favorite snack right here.
tacos.
Tacos.
Dude, you're trying to trigger me today.
I got you some Nutella and go. These are good. I thought you liked these.
Fucking this fucking.
Whoa.
Here we go again.
Oh, nice bounce spot. My UPS calls are popping up on their premiums. It's back at 108.30. Yay.
Not today, Satan. Something about FLS.
Sorry, Luke. Sorry, buddy.
FLS, I don't know what it is, but
You're a good boy.
on this new high day, I hadn't looked at that one in a while. Decent consolidation. Almost threw in a double decker just because Jordan sat there trying to troll me. Trigger.
Oh, SPY getting a little bit better back.
Yep. IWM looks decent too. Hey, what's weak in tech? In the last
Apple, Amazon. Those aren't doing anything.
Walmart.
Yeah.
Broadcom is doing sideways stuff. Meta's okay. Amazon's a little bit weak. Google's still pushing highs. Apple's just a trickle. Microsoft backed off. Nvidia backed off a little bit. I don't know. Launch it. Get a little boing. Damn it, I'm so hungry now. But I am long with a 406 average. Risking like 380s. And trimming into the EMAs pretty quickly. Oop, no, maybe they do want to sell. Yeah, this looks like it's going to push through. On ZQs. SoFi. Still under.
Man, Q's is significantly weaker right here.
Yeah.
I mean, Nvidia's still pulling back a little bit after that flow came in. It's about to hit the 5-minute 21. I mean, nothing in. I mean, Meta is getting a pre-market high rejection, but nothing else is like selling off.
Yeah, Nvidia's coming into the EMAs 21.
Yeah.
And we're gonna break. All right, yes, it's still holding in so strong.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, IWM got smacked too. Can we get a True Social or I don't know, Iran gives up or oil tanker gets blown up, something. I don't know.
We shot a big, beautiful missile at their oil tanker and put a big, beautiful hole right in the center.
B-2 bombers are flying right now over the Iran. We're coming for your bridges, your power plants. We'll let you have water because I'm a nice guy. That's what people say about me. They say I'm a nice guy. I like water. There's a lot of water at Mar-a-Lago. There we go. There we go. Buy it up. Buy it up.
Tropical
Buy it up.
Poppy.
And that's not where you want it to reject. No. Don't reject 410. Hide your kids, hide your wives. Because I can't say that word on stream. Everybody out here. One of my neighbors in college, he changed his Wi-Fi to hide your kids, hide your Wi-Fi. It was one of the most creative names I ever saw.
Oh, that's funny.
We used to do that. We used to play around. We just changed the Wi-Fi name all the time. We changed it to like CIA surveillance van, number 2. Stuff like that. The people in room 3702 are jerks. I did one year have neighbors in like the quads, these dorm things I lived in. And this girl at 1 a.m. with it literally 22 degrees outside decided to microwave M&Ms and set the microwave on fire.
What?
And set off the fire alarm for the entire building. We all had to go outside, stand outside for 30 minutes in 22-degree weather at 1 in the morning.
That's crazy.
And so I called that girl Eminem for the rest of her college career. She was a ginger too. Mallory. Her name was actually, I think her initials were actually MMG.
Well, there
Mallory Michelle Green or something, I think was her name. Still don't like you, Eminem. Who microwaves M&Ms at 1 a.m?
Who microwaves M&M's, period.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. And it was like a Tuesday night. I had a workout. I had to get up at 4:30 to go to workouts. So I was pissed.
Microwaving M&Ms.
Very strange.
That's very weird.
Did you guys see the marathon this weekend?
Mm-mm.
Godfather Marathon on AMC? What?
No. The
that's only
London Marathon. 2 guys broke the 2-hour mark for the first time. New world records. Ran a full marathon in under 2 hours. And they both did it wearing Adidas shoes after Nike spent millions and millions of dollars trying to be the technology in the shoe that broke the 2-hour marathon. Nike's probably red today. I pushed up. It opened up red. Boy, Nike still looks like a short. Gross. Hey. I'm sorry. My daughter's wearing Nike right now. I'm sorry.
Anybody long this?
Yeah. A little bit under my average, but yes.
Why does NVIDIA look like a Head and Shoulders on the 5-minute?
Let me see.
It doesn't.
Kind of does.
No.
Zoom in.
No way.
Where?
I don't see it. Yeah.
Did I zoom in enough?
There it is, right there.
It's not a Head and Shoulders.
I mean, maybe if it did this right here.
Crystals are lying. Yeah, probably.
I mean, the 1 minute had a little wonky looking one, but it was just a trend line break. But other than that,
Dow's pushing up. IWM's trying to still hold and push. Spy's still. I mean, that's what I keep coming back to. Spy's just riding the 21 still. That's been your leader today. You just held VWAP on NQ. This area right here is the point of control from Friday. Rizzo is very, very short with a stop at 500 on NQ, so he's got a pretty big runway up to here.
Tessie bouncing off 5-minute 21. And a video holding and trying to do the same. Spy. Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. Nothing.
Ooh, rejection. We're still trading above previous day's high too on SPY. I mean, maybe that comes in for the back test here. Oh, my base case is.
Oh, rugged.
I am the captain.
He is the captain now.
They got me.
Q's about to come back down to chop zone.
Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to come down to 360s. Where's Rooster at today? I'm about to stand up and go look for pizza rolls in my freezer.
That really got you going, didn't it?
What? No Padres hat? Who's that directed at? Pixel Girl?
I got my shred hat.
Yeah, I like the shred hat, dude. Jordan, did you see his hat?
Grateful shred, baby.
Oh, let's go.
Dude, the shred hat's sick.
Shred hat.
It's a downwards trend today? Where?
A downward trend?
That's what he said.
What chart are you looking at?
We made a new high of day like 15, 20 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago. Oh, I'm trying to find the downtrend. Oh, I guess gold's in a downtrend, sort of. VIX is in a downtrend. Oh, Meta getting hit. Broadcom maybe? Walmart's on a downtrend.
And that 30-minute evening star on Q's probably going to play out.
Cell 37.
Microsoft coming in. Meta printed a sell signal at 250, going lower now. I mean, SPY's still holding decent.
Making pizza pockets. No one incentive. Yeah, we have the guy on top of our screen, but he's wearing a shred hat. Pain train, flush income. You guys think this is gonna just rug?
I have Padres hat.
I'm flat. I just don't see it yet. It could pop up anytime, and it's just hard for me to enter here. A little lower, maybe.
Should I be wearing a Padres hat?
I-36.
Oh, I'm still long. I hate to break it to you, but Rizzo is laying in bed, probably asleep.
I think he said he was just gonna put a stop in, and then like
Yeah, that's what he
that
does.
was it. Yeah. He's like, I'll put my stop in, and I'm gonna go nap for a little bit.
I added a little bit. My average is down to 403.
Spot still looks good.
We need some news.
Without news, I don't think you're going down. Quick reminder, make sure you stay live. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot of great video content going out on the channel now as well. That's one thing we're working to add for you guys. Put more content, educational stuff, learning stuff, all that good stuff on top of the live streams we do every day. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't. Help boost us out there in the algo a little bit more. Be a friend, tell a friend. And shout out to our sponsors making this live for free. No mid-roll ads or anything. I don't turn on the monetization on this. Shout out to Leverage Shares. Go to leverageshares.com. Check out all the leverage ETFs that they offer. Some of them just doing absolutely crazy moves. AMDG last week was just mind-boggling. And shout out to Code Wolf, your favorite prop firm, best discount available. Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Oh, I need to change that graphic. We have My Funded Futures now as well. Boom. There it is. If you trade options, go to Vanquish. Check out Vanquish. Use code Wolf over there. Options, prop firm, and invest, of course, perpetual futures with a funded route if you want it. A big shout out to the audience just hanging out with a slow day here. 350 of my closest friends. I say that not jokingly. I literally have no other friends. I just sit here and hang out with you guys all day. I mean, after you guys, my next best friend's a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. So
I wouldn't mind AMD put.
Yes.
I like ARM a little bit better. Maybe on a pop tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah.
My wife's in the top 3 as well. I don't have many friends outside of that.
Dang, you got her on freaking near the top.
Boris is definitely top 10. Dude, I literally spend more time with you guys than I do with my family. Think about that.
God, AMDs are expensive. Even the 300s for May, they're $770 a piece. Let's go see AMD.
Give me a news cam.
Someone's buying 190 puts for freaking October and 160s for November. The helly?
Here we go. Here we go. Pop it. Pop it. Back through that 410. There you go. Push. Chad, are you guys all short? Rooster!
Crazy.
The hell has Rooster been all day?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
If Boris had a different name, would he make top 5?
Hmm.
He'd definitely move up 1 or 2 spots.
Can Tesla hit previous day high before close? Maybe. Tesla long TP 400, 415, baby. Let me give it to me.
All right, stop's going to break even here. Just to protect profits today. And let's get this run back into the 430s. Rooster, I'm already in it. I'm in a 403 average though. And my stop was under, well, it's back up here now, but it was under 480s. Hey, we could definitely just chop here, but NVIDIA's off to 21.
21.
Right back to highs. Come on, give us some news. Pop this thing back to previous day's close.
By 28.
Costco, what's Costco doing?
Seems like it's busted.
Selling previous day low. Where's Wally World? Ugh. The Walmart come back down to like 126, 125, and I'll buy it.
Costco just chilling. Walmart chilling. Back test.
What about Best Buy, like on a monthly? It's a weird ass chart.
Maybe on the monthly. The weekly looks like
Mm-hmm.
pretty nasty.
The monthly candle don't look good. The Kroger's not having a good day.
Kroger's?
Oh, dude,
What
Kroger's
about the
had a
Dollar
rough-
General?
That's why I'm literally going through all of these right now. Nope. Bad day.
Just pop it.
DLTR. DG. Red, but not as bad as DLTR.
By 30. By 270.
There you go.
Rip it, Lotto. Rip it.
37.
Man, you got to get that on the soundboard.
There's a 20-point gain if anybody wants to trim. Probably Probably de-risk a little bit here if you wanted to.
Midpoint held on Qs.
Scale and trail, scale and trail. There we go. Come on. A little bit more, a little bit more.
More. We want more.
IWM busting it back to VWAP. The volume just came in on these two candles too.
Voodoo.
Today's trading action has been so much better than the crazy news the last few weeks.
You don't like those 100.1 minute candles?
No. It's actually been very quiet on the news today. Come on, push it, push it, push it.
You gotta push it to the limit.
I'm gonna move my stop up a little bit here to lock in a little bit of profit in case it just rejects.
In it to win it. Oh yeah. Apple trying to pop up a little bit.
Nvidia and Microsoft getting stuffed.
Mm-hmm.
Hold the line. Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly looks terrible.
I'd like to see oil fall below VWAP, like right here, 96.25. VIX is still dropping.
Eli Lilly does not look good. They report on Thursday morning, so probably revisit it after that report. I mean, it's not like terrible, but it looks like it wants to come lower. A weekly H here.
Carl's just setting up amp for the soundboard.
What?
Just
Oh.
Soundboard.
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking?
You cooking? Making new higher low during power hour stats are pretty low. Even though right now is a different market because we are making all-time highs.
Price discovery.
Damn, what's this candle on Netflix? What are you doing?
Bussin'.
Right off the low. I'm coming out of nowhere for. What's she doing? You better go all the way back down, you piece of shit.
I want to buy more Netflix, but it's just like right at this area where it's like, okay, if it goes under 90, I'd rather buy it down there. But for the whole year.
Netflix cost me $150 today. I'm gonna cancel my subscription.
Yeah. That'll show them.
They're raising their prices.
Strongly worded
Got
email.
email.
Oh, I looked at MVO earlier. I want to like MVO. The weekly chart tells a better story because it's on it trades in Europe. The weekly looks like it wants to come like kind of gap fill up here, to be honest. But the overall chart is kind of gross. But I do think that, I mean, this may take a while, but it looks like it wants to kind of start trail. It may be another year or two out, but it looks like it wants to, do something like that. Oh yeah. Sorry, I was signing in Edgeful. Power hour, new high of day, 21% of the time on SPY. QQQ, 23% of the time. It's not high odds. But it's not one of my favorite stats to look at, honestly, because it's looking at new high of day or new low of day just during an hour of the market. I don't know, I used to watch it a little bit more. I mean, honestly, in an uptrend bull market, I would pay more attention to making a new low of day during power hour. Honeywell is just, they're waiting on, I mean, they're selling industrials as a whole. Honeywell's still got crazy consolidation down here. But they're about to split off another piece of their business. I think this quarter or next quarter, this summer sometime, maybe early next fall. So it'll be interesting to see what happens after that. I think it is a little bit different than GE and GEV and all that, but speaking of GEV, what a freaking monster. Ooh. Casey, did you see what I sent in the group chat a few minutes ago?
Let me go check.
About 20, 30 minutes ago.
He listens to the live stream.
I guess he checks in every once in a while.
Oh, that's awesome.
Sell 48.
Come on, pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Do it. Come on, Beth.
Sell 28. Sell 45.
VIX is selling pretty decent the last little bit.
Yeah. I expect VIX to probably bounce tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday morning as people re-hedge ahead of the binary events on Wednesday. Are we less greedy? So, I mean, once again, the fear and greed, whatever, it's based off of a bunch of different factors. So it's momentum, it's price strength, breadth, put and call options, VIX, and some like safe havens demand or something like that. I don't know. It's like 7 factors that they all just put together and try to make a score on 0 to 100. It's honestly not. There's no sentiment involved at all. It's all just some random indicators.
The answer
Come
is
on,
yes.
yes, break out. Break out.
Break out. Get the longs above.
Sell 28. Sell 32.
Do
Sell
it.
71.
Do it. Do it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Trying to rug me again.
Rug them so we can go higher.
There we go. 30-point gain. My trim's just filled at 433. 30 points.
By
About
37.
2/3.
SPY new high a day. Yeah, new all-time high.
Nobody wanted to go along with me. Nobody. I need to get Rizzo bullish again.
I said if you wanted to try the longer, there's the spot. I sure as shit wasn't touching this price action today for options. On SPY and Qs, no way.
Futes. Little futes.
I was bullish on SPY going into the day. I said I just needed to back test 712. It got 712.3, and that was it. I ain't done shit since.
Wow, let's go to previous day's high. 462. So glad things slowed down. It's a lot easier to like alert trades and stuff.
Look at Apple. Look at Apple now. Look.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
There you go, Apple. Take something else with you. Google. Meta. Oh, Meta. Okay, Meta. Meta wants to help out. Amazon not helping. I don't know. I'll say this though: if you didn't trim there, you're greedy, regardless of whether this goes or not. If you didn't trim at previous day's close, IB high. With 25 minutes left in the market, you're greedy.
Free market, baby.
There's a DOJ briefing going on at the White House right now over the events of this weekend.
Apple been in that 15-minute squeeze all damn day.
Yeah, 4 of the 5 largest companies in the world are reporting earnings this week. I don't have much expectation before that. I'm greedy.
I want to take an SPX lotto for fun.
Which way?
I don't know. Short, I think.
Was 175 kind of the wall up here?
Yeah.
I'll say it again. If you didn't trim, you're greedy.
Dude, the 7165 put is $30.
Sell 327.
Good God. Calm down, Rizzo. All right, I profit stopped right there. I'm not going to short it, but I did profit stop.
How much time we got? 10 more minutes? Ten more minutes until MOC. Apple's still trying. Amazon not. Microsoft's trying to pop it up a little bit. Minutes.
Oh, they held that for like they hit my stop like to the penny. I was gonna put it under 410, but I wanted a nice round number of profit.
By 32.
Iran. Daily's holding a decent area and riding the 9. That's positive. You had a ton of accumulation here, a manipulation leg, and now you're breaking out above it. Kind of back testing. It could even come a little bit lower, probably, and back test here, but the chart structure looks pretty good. You're not really in this. You're kind of fighting this downtrend just a little bit here. But this upper 40s area is a pretty interesting zone here. And then, of course, you need to add more confidence looking at the sector, looking at, the company itself. The one thing I don't like about Iran is it has too much of the retail, like social media meme kind of feel to it. I don't know, any stock that starts to get these like armies and communities around them, I just don't like. I feel like they trade poorly because of retail making rash decisions. I feel like they're set up to crush people at times. But from a chart perspective, it does not look that bad at all. Weekly came off the 50-week pretty strongly here. Consolidation this week, earnings next week. That'll probably tell the rest of your story, but yeah, probably say mid 40s is kind of your line in the sand right now. Yeah, you don't want this thing back under this point of control at 41, 42. You really probably don't want it to come under 44. And best case scenario, it holds like today's low, daily 9, and continues.
All right. I took some 7170 lottos at 75. Complete lotto and gamble into the close for fun.
Which ones you take?
The 7170s. I'd like to say we would go upside. I just don't have the warm and fuzzies right now looking at QQQ and IWM as well into this close. SPY's holding up the best.
I mean, Meta and Microsoft are still strong. NVIDIA is still pretty strong.
Apple's going up. Apple and SPY don't go up at the same time.
Apple's pushing. Amazon's slow fade. Broadcom's nothing. AMD's nothing.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much going on. We could literally just stay right here until the close, and MOC literally takes us nowhere. I mean, doesn't matter what you trade, upside, downside.
I mean, if you're trying to short here, you're shorting against a trend breakout, especially if you're on ES and SPX. Qs have been a little bit weaker today, but it's still holding, and it just did a nice little reset. I just don't see where you're at, like, and your overall trend is still upside, and you're literally in a breakout on SPX with the back test this morning. I mean, a lotto trade's a lotto trade, but damn it, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting quite hungry myself.
I appreciate you.
I'm gonna make a protein smoothie.
Sell 33. Sell 35.
5 more minutes till MOC.
Iran.
You could do the old fun thing that we usually do on Fridays, where you go like $5-10 out of the money, both sides on SPX.
And just hope one of them does more than 100%.
And one of them goes, like, oh, candles. Is that a headline? Oh, Slappy. Okay.
We just made a new high of day on. Did we fill in that wick on QQQ yet?
No, I think it was higher.
It was a little bit higher.
Was there a headline, or was that just like for fun? What are they doing
for
here?
funsies?
Yeah, like what? Was that just for funsies, or what the heck was it?
Push it.
I don't see anything coming across.
They just want to close QQQ green, right? Just right here.
Apple at midpoint. I don't see anything.
No.
Yeah, just for funsies. Let's go, Matt. Yeah, NVIDIA was a banger today. That was a fun move. That and Tesla.
VSA had some kind of news, just got halted on a circuit breaker. What is this piece of crap stock?
Ooh, yeah, oil is getting a candle upside. Well, so oil and SPY both just got wicked candles upside? That's not supposed to happen.
Buy 43.
VIX is falling off a cliff.
Someone's lying here. Who's lying?
VIX is absolutely falling off a cliff.
I don't know. I've had a great day, so I'm chilling.
That's a decent size, whatever candle that is on oil. Someone's lying. Why you always lying?
Islamic State claims responsibility for attack that left at least 29 dead in Adamawa State, Nigeria.
The video popping back up to high of day.
Yeah, it did. Holy crud.
Wait, so Islamic State just attacked Nigeria? What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Google trying to small roll, but
Oh, I gotta make sure I cleared my orders. Oh.
thought you were gonna say search history. AMD.
No search history in a private browser.
AMD coming down a tad into the. Well, it just broke a 15-minute little structure.
Does AI have a private browser? Ask him for a friend.
God, IWM is still between pre-market high and low.
NVIDIA new high.
Like in a 50-cent range for 5 hours is insane.
Squeeze it.
There goes SPY.
Squeeze it.
40 seconds till MOC. What do we think?
Previous session high. Run it. 462.
I want to see MOC come out and Qs just
rip.
Die.
Oh.
Rizzo's short. Someone's got to be on the short bus with him. He can't be short by himself.
He's still got 60 points of room.
Three, two, one.
There's your MOC.
Do something crazy.
There's not a single Mag 7 name on here. Oh, Microsoft's a slight sell.
Do something crazy. Do something crazy.
Yeah.
Do something crazy. NVIDIA, new all-time high. Google is rolling over still a little bit. Nothing else really doing much except for Meta. I don't know if that candle's real or a glitch, but that's
the
a
MOC is 146 million sell side on S&P, 325 million buy side Nasdaq. It's tiny. Mag 7 is 18 million. It's tiny.
Oh, small MOC. Well.
Come on, we haven't touched previous day's high or low. We should touch one of the two.
Sell 26.
It's almost there. It's like, what, 12 cents away?
Yeah, you just need like 10 more points here on NQ.
This is probably one of the worst IWM charts intraday I've seen in a minute. It's not even getting any kind of reaction here into the close.
Up, up, and away. I'll come down in a couple of days. Kid Cudi. Joby had the big thing we talked about last week. They're having a pretty decent day. They were flying around New York, I think, today and tomorrow.
Damn, Theta. You made $22,000 today on the video calls. That's a good day. I'm down like $150 right now on SPX. Oh, look, there's Will. What's up, Will? What did he do today?
Broken wing.
Iron Butterfly, Iron Condor, Iron Condor. There you go. Made a nice and easy like $500 total. There you go. That was the move today on SPX. Freaking sell those options. Because Lord knows she ain't do much.
Sell 25.
Let's go to the watch list and to the close. What's moving? There you go, Netflix. Yeah. Get sold off. Ooh, Costco.
Sell 35.
Not
Sell
having a good
27.
close.
Sell 88.
All right,
Sell
Google's getting
25.
pushed.
Sell 31.
Apple's back to where it was this morning now. I mean, Walmart new low of day minus 2%. Just why is buying Q's even green right now?
There's too many profits to take.
Makes no sense. The UPS 110 calls are up 83%. I'm still waiting for 100% to get these closer in the money. Oh, there you go, SPX. Just drop another $5. That'd be fun. No, those are probably already cooked. Where are they at? Oh, yeah. They're crisp. They're well done right now. I mean, what do we expect? We got FOMC Wednesday, but FOMC is probably going to be the same shit that we hear all the time from Jerome Powell. I don't think it's going to be anything new. I think the commentary would be more of a nothing burger. How the market reacts to it, I don't know, but I don't see it being anything extravagant.
Just gonna stop it right here.
Let's come right back to 71.75 and just chill into the close. That's lame. You couldn't even get Qs over previous day high, and you couldn't even get any kind of.
Couldn't even touch it.
Yeah, you couldn't even get a sell off if you're not even going to go hit previous day high. This is dumb.
We did fill in that wick though.
Sell 43. Sell 30.
Wow. The only signals today was SPY printed an evening star and then flipped with the morning star and ripped. Qs went 2 for 2. Said long at 12:30 and 120. Went to new highs after that. Other than that, nothing.
Nvidia's still trying. Apple's still pushing. Oh, we got what? 2.5 minutes? Rip at another 20 points here.
What the shit? How'd you make 50% on SPX Plus? What the shit? Like right after MOC popped, just bought there.
Oh, wait a second.
And then caught that red candle. It ripped up the new high, and you were like, fade it now. Ooh.
Nope. They can't push. They can't do it. Minute 45.
Oh, UPS, don't stop it here. It just popped up 90%. No. Sorry. It'll be 100% sometime this week.
Ooh, Lucid Code Wolf. 50K Rapid is only $107 until May 1st. New and existing traders. 2 uses. Daily payouts pass in just 2 days, 9 to 10 split.
INTC.
538.
INTC. $85 calls coming in. Hot repeated orders into this close.
Sell 50. Sell 28. Sell 33.
Somebody's trying to hold this thing down. There's 1 minute remaining in the period. 1 minute remaining. Please gather your items and come to the nearest register. KC Trades, we have your daughter at customer service.
540.
KC Trades, customer service, please collect your daughter.
There's a no return policy.
Sell 63.
On that one.
Buy 25. Sell 33. Sell 25. Buy 27. Buy
damn.
25. Sell 36. Sell 25. Buy 106. Sell 35.
think
Buy
my computer's
25.
glitching.
Sell 33. Buy 91. Sell 29.
Stephen Hawking over there scalping the shit
Sell
out of us.
25. Sell 28. Sell 34.
There's your longest bell in the world. All right, what a day.
Bell, that's it. I am making some food.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
Sell 47.
Time for a smoothie
Sell
for me,
39.
so I'm out.
Smoothie time.
Someone said this was the lowest volume day on
late.
SPY since
Still going.
when?
All right. See y'all manana.
Later, Gator.
Peace.
Oh, you are correct. That is the lowest volume trading day on SPY since
Like February of last year.
Yeah. How far do I need to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
February of last year.
February
19th.
18th and 19th. Yeah. Oh, disgusting.
All right, chat.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you, Frankie.
Later, Frank.
Later.
Solid day.
Yeah, I had a good day. I only made 2 small, like really small trades in the afternoon. All my trading was in the morning. I sat here and watched all day. But it was a good day. Most important thing, ain't getting your money back. It's the most important.
Yes, sir.
Make the money, hold on to it. All right, crew. Why do I only trade? Where I found my success is trading futures day by day and swing trading, long-term trading options. I don't know. And I don't want to try to like mix trading futures and options too much together on day trades. I could, and I do every once in a while, but I don't want to distract my focus away from trying to be a great futures trader.
Facts.
Simple answer. Yeah. I mean, That's literally all it is. Like when I started trading futures, I told myself I wasn't going to touch options until I got comfortable with futures. I got comfortable with futures, and I'm still like, make my money here and let my the biggest thing I have is I have a tinkering problem with swing trades. So if I just don't look at them too often, kind of just keep them out of sight, it seems to do better for me. All right, chat crew, make sure you drop a like on the stream for us. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. Check out all the new video content that's going out. Shout out to Jordan getting that stuff done.
Let's go, baby.
Shout out to KC hanging out with us this afternoon, almost every afternoon, honestly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shout out to that. If you want to dive deeper, you definitely should check out KC's Discord. I think it's, between his masterminds, his Discord, he does a really good job of teaching and explaining things deeper. Like if you want to get on a deeper learning level, definitely check that out. The link in his bio, go to KC Trades. So it's 777 on X. Easiest way to find all that information and stuff. And with that, shout out to our sponsor, Leverage Shares, of course, keeping this live free show all day, every day. We're live again tomorrow. We'll do it all again.
Let's go, baby.
Appreciate you guys. Love you guys.
Love the crew.